Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Dean Callan Show. Today, we're going to be talking about every bartender's worst enemy, fruit flies. And how to kill them, or drown them, how they kill themselves if you give them the rope, essentially. So, every bar at some point in their life gets fruit flies. Whether they come in with bad fruit or you are really bad at cleaning. For some reason you might get fruit flies. Here's my little trick, or someone else's little trick that I've been using to get rid of fruit flies. First, start with a glass. Now, I use white wine vinegar. You can use vermouth if you don't have white wine vinegar. Probably use wine, but basically what you want is that acid kind of rotting fruit smell. That smell that you get when you smell vinegar, that is the smell that fruit gives off when it's starting to rot, and that attracts the fruit flies. So we start with that. You don't need a great deal of it. And then you take cling film, and let me demonstrate how I do it. Oh yeah. Hello, cling film. How have you been of late? Make sure you've got plenty of cling film to go over the glass. Cut this bit off. And then cling film's designed to be stretched down. Stretch it out as much as possible. You want to kind of make it feel like you're stretching leather over a drum. Make it as stretchy as possible. There's no spots where the little fruit flies can go out the side. And then you take a toothpick and you pinch little holes in the top. You hear that sound? That's stretched. It's well stretched, like a drum. So that means that the fruit flies can get in, they'll smell the vinegar, they'll climb in these little holes, they'll go down, they'll gorge on the vinegar, and then they won't be able to get out. And that is a nice little trap for fruit flies. Good luck.